In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neon text effect in Canva. This is a fun and easy way to make your text pop with a vibrant, glowing look. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media graphic, or just want to add some flair to your designs, this neon effect is sure to grab attention. So, let's dive right in. First, open Canva and start by selecting a design or creating a new one. On your canvas, click on the text that you'd like to add the neon effect to. If you haven't already, you can add a text box by navigating to the text option on the sidebar and typing something catchy. Once your text is selected, head over to the top menu and you'll see an option that says Effects. Click on Effects, and a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Here is where the magic begins. Among the various options displayed, you'll find one labelled Neon. Click on the neon option and watch as your text instantly transforms, taking on a glowing, luminous aura that gives it an electrifying presence. But we're not stopping there. Canva gives you the flexibility to make this effect truly yours. Once you've applied the neon effect, you'll see a slider labelled Intensity. This is your control to dial up or down the glow that surrounds your text. Dragging the slider to the right increases the brightness and prominence of the neon effect, making it stand out even more. On the other hand, adjusting it to the left will give you a more subdued glow. Experiment with it to find the look that perfectly matches your design vision. And lastly, let's not forget about colour. The neon effect is versatile with the colours you can use. If you want to add a different hue to your neon effect, simply click on the text colour option, which is located next to Effects. A palette of colours will appear, allowing you to select just the right shade. Choose a colour that complements your design or makes your message more compelling, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create a stunning neon text effect in Canva, making your text shine with vibrant intensity. Don't hesitate to play around with different combinations of intensity and colours to see what excites your creativity. This technique is bound to add a captivating visual element to any project you're working on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating dazzling neon designs.